Okay, we're going to fly the Mini FMS P-51 Mustang 800mm 2S bird. So far, I've flown that, problems, flown that, problems, flown that, problems, flown the GB, problems. I have 2 planes left. We're going home with all one piece. I hope. This one never lets me down. I don't have any wood to knock on, but it'd be a good idea. Alright, here we go. Oh, throttle cut. It's always good to throw your planes with throttle cut off. It's usually more successful that way. There we go. Yeah, just like a dream. Finally a plane that flies the way it should. There we go. What a baby. I feel so much better now. Come down the road, nice and decent speed. Look at that. Make it to the end of the road, you think? Okay, we're past the third pole. There we go, right down the road. Come right back down it this way. Look at that baby go. This plane is absolutely awesome. Right down the road to the end and up. Wing over and come back. Well, kind of a wing over. Nice little pass over the grass right here. Over the hydro box. This plane is awesome. No inverted action. Flies good inverted. Hands off inverted. Look at that. That's how good this plane is. First time I think I've flown with hands off inverted. Sorry about the sun again. Way up by that pile of dirt. Coming back, we'll do a low pass over the road. Do a big tumble. There we go. Stumbling, flat spin, tumble, flat spin, tumble. Whoa, that was pretty close to the ground. And that pole. These poles are magnets, I swear to God. They're magnetic foam poles. They're not made of foam, they're steel. But you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm babbling again. Nice and low. Big roll. Son, sorry. Oh, there's a plane way up there. Right in front of my plane, if you can see my plane, there's another plane. We're way up there. Let's tumble it down to us. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, right over the pole. Could be a bad thing. There we go. We won't tumble it close to that pole. A bit of sniffles going. That time of year, I guess. Sorry about the sun. Like I said, I think we're at 3 o'clock in the afternoon right now. He's not even moving up there. That's weird. Big Schnappalola. This plane's awesome. These little planes are the way to go. Oh, crap. Right into the sun again. These little planes are the way to go. I would suggest them to anybody. Even a beginner could probably fly this plane. Well, the new one with the reflex for sure. We're gonna land now, hopefully right on the snow right here. There we go. That's a mini FMS P-51 Mustang 800 mil. Go get the new one. It's awesome. I actually think it's sold out. Alright, thanks for watching.